Alright guys, so welcome back. So today, I'm not going to do too much. Um, just that I don't know if you remember with the previous episode whereby I was busy with the trunk, the boot spoiler, the boot for the 280ZX. So tonight I'm just planning on putting it back. Um, I'm quite excited because previously the paint wasn't finished, the body filler, the fiber filler, nothing was really done. Um, So it was there, but it was never done. So now I don't know about you guys if you've seen the one that I built previously, but this is it. Um, this is the one that I've built. There's the boot. There's the spoiler. I'll give you a bit more details now soon about this. And yeah, the biggest thing why I'm excited about this is due to that it keeps making the whole thing dirty. As you can see, my whole fuel system, everything, and I don't like it when there's too many dust and things coming in by the fuel as the fuel is going to the car, and we don't want dirty fuel. Oh, then anyway, don't get um, sorry, just something that I saw now with is that if you put on this uh, brackets, you need to make sure that it's not facing in. I know it seems like it should go in there, but believe me, it doesn't, because it must come down and then basically, see there, this piece must go in first, and then from there this bolts from the inside onto there. Yeah, so let's continue. Doesn't look too bad so far. I know it's not even fitted or flush or anything, but it really doesn't look bad. Let's see. Okay, well, this is what it looks like so far. It's not closed yet. Still have a few things I see with this. Still, that's fine. That's just body filler that I just need to make straight of this side. This is fine, as you can see. It's nice, level and straight. It's only the car of the roof itself. And then also this side. I'll show you now about this. This is not a problem at all. Just want to make sure everything looks good. I don't like this cap here in between. I don't know if it can be adjusted or if that is how it is. Maybe it is. Seems like it. Seems like both sides are even. Okay. Anyway, so let's check here. Let's remove this piece and then remove this cloth, and then let's see. There we go. Seems like it's catching this side. Okay. Oh, look. It's a spider. I don't know if you can see it. There's a spider. Okay, anyway. So it seems like I have to flatten a few points here. Doesn't look like too big of a deal. And then this side. Seems like we've got the same situation this side. We will have to just flatten up small tips, and then it should be 100%. So let me quickly fix that, and then let's see what goes from there. Okay. Okay, does seem like it's much better now. Have a look here. So there was just some of these edges that I had to take off. Does seem much better now. Even this side does seem. Let's see what it looks like. The shocks, it seems like I need to replace them as well. And now it does seem like it sits almost perfectly flush and clean. Looks good. So anyway, how I started with this piece is in the beginning it was just this normal spoiler here, just this piece. It was like I don't know how to put it. It was straight here, and then it was just this normal piece that was bolt on, and then from there I used this where is it here? I used this glue, 521 UV Sikaflex. It's really super powerful, and it's cheap. Don't know if you can see the price there. It's like 120 something or 30 something bucks. Anyway, so from there I've sticked it with the glue, so that you don't see any bolts or anything on it. And then from there I just use fiber filler. just to fill the spaces between the spoiler and the boot itself. Same with this side. I don't know if you can see, but if you look properly, you'll see this is the original boot, the steel boot, and then basically from just get the angle right, from here upwards is the spoiler itself. The reason why I've done it like this is so that I want it to look like it's part of the car. I don't want it to look like it's something that can just attach and detach. I actually want it to be part of the vehicle, and yeah, I do believe it looks pretty good. I'm really satisfied. I really do like it. There's still a lot of work left to do. I still have to sand down the whole car. I've started here. Doesn't look too bad. It's quite soft. It doesn't seem like it, but it's quite soft here. But yeah, I still have to do the whole car. Still have a lot of work to do. And then yeah, can't wait for it to be finished. I think it's gonna be really awesome. I think it's maybe gonna be one of a kind here in our states, here in South Africa. Yeah, I'm excited. Really excited. Right. So yeah, this thing previously it was bad. Like check this clip. This photos is really bad. So as you saw, it's for me myself, it's a big difference from where we started and where we finished now. Obviously it's just a primer. There still needs a full color. I don't know, I didn't decide on a color yet. The colors that's still going through my mind is like a snow white, or like a nice black, or candy apple red. So we will still see when we get closer to the point where I will paint it, and then go from there to see what's going to look the best on the car itself. And then yeah, I want to see as well if I can't find new mags, new rims. I want to see if I can't find something like the offset, like a 0 offset, or maybe a 5, just so it comes out much more, so I can put like a fender flare, make her a bit more fat. I think it would look really nice. It's like I already have a thick tire on the back, but I just think if I can have it to come out a bit more, it would look much better. But yeah, maybe it will come. Should come in the future, maybe not, we will see. And then I still have the whole inside left to do. I've put that panel in. Doesn't use the ignition anymore. It now only uses this panel. Let me show you. You've got your first one is the management. Oh, the battery is connected, it's not going to work. And anyway, you've got your management, then you obviously start your car. This is for the second fuel system, and then I've got one, this is for the fan, this is for I think this is for the gauges, and then this one is still open. I'll still see what I'm going to use this for, but I'm not sure. And then yeah, all of those gauges, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, I want to replace all of them. I want to put a Evo 612 series gauges in. It's boost gauge, voltmeter, oil pressure, fuel level, then the tachometer, rev counter, and then heat gauge. So when I do that, still replace the steering wheel with a quick release, all of those nice thingies. I want to replace the seats with nice bucket seats, and then carry on to the back. I would like to have the back seat to put it's there, it's just folded down, but I would like to put the back seat up, so that if there's someone that wants to drive with, they're more than welcome. And then yeah, I still want to cover a few things as well, like the boot liner, recover it, make sure it looks nice. Even the car itself, the reason I don't want to drive it anymore was due to the accident that I had with the car. As you can see, there's still a bit of evidence left, and then as well the swing arm that's here, that's quite destroyed. But anyway, so I would like to put to get someone to maybe to assist me also, but to put new coilovers inside all around, bigger brakes all around, and then as well with new rims and new tires and new everything. I would like it to be like a new old modern car. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying with that. It's an old car, but I want the things to be like modern. I don't want the old things. I know it's an old car, but I want all the new things to bring it up to date, bring it back to life on this car, which I do believe we will get there slowly. But yeah, as long as we keep pushing forward, we should be able to achieve it. Sure guys, that's basically it. That's all I'm gonna do for tonight. I was just excited to put this boot lid back to see what it looks like now with the spoiler on, and I must say I'm quite excited about it. It looks good. It motivates me to carry on with the body work. Oh, and there's also the front bump, what do you call it, front bumper. I would also like to build my own. Maybe in the future I'll make another episode about the bumper, but this time I will make it whereby I build it from the beginning to the end, not just show you guys like for example the end. I mean, because then you can't really see where it started and where it ended off. So I'll make sure to post a full video about the bumper. And then yeah guys, so as I go on, I'll show you guys, I'll bring you with me, so that I can keep you posted, keep you up to date. But yeah, thanks guys, please like my channel, please subscribe if you don't mind. I would really appreciate it, and then I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks guys, just